Hey y'all, what's up? This is Brent, and this video is going to be a quick one, and it's a real basic deal. I'm replacing the blades on this, see it back there behind me, on that 335 Z-Track John Deere, zero turn. Anyway, it's crazy easy, and one thing I noticed is that most of the YouTube videos, most people are propping the mower up and working under it, or jacking it up, and to me, it's so easy to pull the deck off of that mower. You pull 3 pins and you drop the belt off the main pulley, and you can pick the mower up and turn it away from the deck. It's so easy. That's the way I did it. I took the deck off. Quicker and felt safer, so that's how I did it. So check it out. Thanks for watching. Alright, you can get the blades at Lowe's. That's where I got these. 40 bucks. This one is a 2-blade. You might want to make sure there is a 42-inch zero-turn John Deere that has 3 blades. So double check your model number. Save yourself a return trip. Speaking from experience. I'm going to use an impact. You need a 3/4 socket. You don't have to use an impact, but it's a lot easier if you do. And cooler. New one mounts right up. Alright, this will be tricky to do and record with a cell phone, but I'm going to hook the belt back up and then hang it. Line that up. This crazy pin. Do it again on the other side. All right. Line that back up. Pin it. Put the crazy pin back in. And go hang the front of the deck. This got to hang there. Gonna pull it forward. Have to pick up some. There it is. Same kind of crazy pin, and that's it. It's done. I'm going to double check my belt. think everything went back the way it was. Like that's hardly any editing or cutting. Like that's real time. Easy peasy. A dog bowl and a socket. Improvising.